How to reset iPhone without losing eSIM in iOS 16 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to reset iPhone without losing eSIM in iOS 16 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So as you can see right here, eSIM actually have the option to transfer from another iPhone. So what you can do is you can just click on this right here in order to transfer to another iPhone. Now once you have done that, you just need to head over to your settings, then scroll all the way down until you reach general right here, and then from in there just scroll down until you can see this transfer or set iPhone. Then from in there you can just open this reset or erase all contents and settings and just reset your iPhone as you please. And once you have done resetting it, your eSIM will be restored to its former form. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to reset iPhone without losing eSIM in iOS 16. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.